Alright, what's up? So this is going to be another kind of chill video. What we have today is I just unboxed this screen. This is an LCD screen for a laptop. This is 1080p. Now what I have here is this Dell, what's the model number on it again? It's a Latitude 3480 is the laptop. I have it in pieces right now. It works, it's fully functional. It's got, gosh, I think it's an i5 7300 or an i3 7100, something along those lines. 2 cores, 4 threads. But I wanted to get it up and running, and I already got a new battery for it. The problem is that it had this screen with it. This is a 1366 by 768 screen, which is between 720p and 1080p, but closer to 720p. It's just not adequate resolution for a modern laptop, and it makes sense because this was very much a lower end business class laptop, so it had a cheaper screen for the time, for that 2016, 2017 era. 1080p was not yet the global standard, although it certainly was on its way. So I found a replacement 1080p screen that I can just slot in. So I will be putting that onto the lid, screwing it in place, reconnecting it to the motherboard, and then reassembling the laptop. So I'm excited. I think what I can do now is I'm going to put on some music and I guess enjoy a chill video watching me put a brand new screen in a laptop, I guess. Just enjoy. And there you go. It just, it comes right up. So we are all ready to go here. So you can kind of see, you might need to pause for a second, but let's see here. So the processor is an i3 7100U at 2.4 gigahertz. 2 cores with hyperthreading, so 4 logical cores. 16 gigs of RAM. I put in 2 8-gig sticks of DDR4 SODIMM. And then probably the most important is right here at the bottom, you can see that is 1920 by 1080. So I need to put an operating system on this, obviously, but there you go. I have just taken a standard Latitude 3480, and it came with a 1366 by 768 screen, which is this, and I have replaced this with a brand new panel. I will leave the model number of panel that I used down in the video description if you're interested. But yeah, that's going to be the upgrade. So now this is, I mean, it's still missing a few features, like this doesn't have USB-C or anything like that, but you know, at least the screen resolution is great for, you know, a modern laptop. So really happy to see that. So that's where I'm going to conclude the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was just kind of a chill, relaxing video that I wanted to record because it's my first time doing a screen upgrade mod. So yeah, thank you for watching. Next video, I'm thinking I might do a video where I show you how to take this still usable screen and make a portable monitor out of it. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know if that's something that you might be interested in. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.